Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. I'm making this video to talk about the big opportunity in print on demand, and that's about building a brand. Everyone wants to talk about the different ways to make money on Shopify, and there's definitely a lot of different ways. There's a ton of different ways to make money on Shopify, on e-commerce, right? There's Amazon, there's eBay, there's all these different arbitrage methods. But what's the big opportunity? What's so special about Shopify print on demand? It's why people ask me, and they've been asking me for literally 4 or 5 years now. They say, what's the best part of Shopify, or what's better, drop shipping or print on demand, or what's the bigger upside, Amazon or Shopify print on demand? Every single time Shopify print on demand wins, it's because of the idea that you can actually build a brand. You could build a beloved brand inside of a niche that you'll become a common household name to people that love that niche. I mean, it's an unbelievable opportunity. You could build a business where people literally associate your brand, your name, with a passion-based niche. Think about it for something like dogs, or for people who like playing tennis, or for nurses, right? Building a brand around products that are super unique to them and that speak directly to them. You're not going to find that with Amazon products. You're not going to find that with drop shipping products. That's why print on demand is the big opportunity, right? Upside-wise, we're talking about big picture, and of course, you can make a lot of money in the short term as well, right? Every winning product you have can make you just as much as any drop shipping product or Amazon product. But I'm talking about the big upside, right? What's the 6-month, 12-month, 5-year plan, right? How are you going to cash out of your business while you build a brand? And it's super easy to do that with print on demand because you have all of these items that are building towards the idea. They're all building and pushing towards that same point, right? You have one passion-based niche. You have your brand constantly pumping out products on staple products too, I should add: t-shirts, hoodies, hats, phone cases, canvas prints. You see one right behind me, right? Literally products that everyone has multiples of in their house. You get to sell and directly speak to them because of that passion-based niche. So massive upside while doing that. And I don't think there's any real debate. Everyone knows that everyone would hope that they could build a brand, and they know that building a brand gives them the biggest upside, whether they want to keep it or sell it, or have it make them money for the rest of their life. Whatever it is, building a brand should be the end game, right? So what I want to do in this part of the video is actually just show you some examples of how you can easily kind of start going down that line of building your brand. And it's really not going to be expensive. It's not going to be hard. It's just really basic common sense, good marketing, and good business. And I'm going to show you some right now. So here's Electro Threads, really great example of how they use branding to their advantage. And they've kind of created their own niche. They call it unique clothing. But really, I mean, it's just like, some people call it bohemian, some call it spiritual, some call it hippie. We're not sure what to call it, but you see the brand that they've built. And the idea here is that now they're associated with this new style. It's really their own style. You wouldn't even call it an existing niche. And that's the power of print on demand. Every single one of these products in this entire catalog is print on demand. They decided to go with their own unique style, and then they branded every single inch of their website. If you were going to take a look from top to bottom, if you go to the product pages as well, everything is branded towards this look and feel. Right? We see all their customers with the same type of look and feel. That's the brand that they've built. So social media integration is a really popular way to do it, but just overall, just being consistent with your branding like you see with Electro Threads, that's one of the best ways to build branding. And I'll show you another really great way. Over here, this is another great site. It's called aafnation.com. These guys build branding in their voice. So they have a really unique voice. And if you read any of their product descriptions, sometimes they make them sound like kind of fake satirical reviews. If you read this, just a couple sentences, you'll immediately know what type of voice they have in this business and what type of customer they're going after. It says, this shirt was everything it said it was. It's pure America. Not only is the quality well and it fit good, it also gives you a feeling of true American badassery when you wear it. All right, so immediately you understand their voice, you understand their brand. Customers who are turned on by that, they're going to feel a much better connection to this company. They're going to come back, buy more products. They're going to take cross-sells and upsells. They're going to open emails. They're going to click on ads and retargeting, right? All because they're focused on building a brand. So those are two good examples. I'll show you one more. So here's an easy way to build an amazing brand and increase trust and conversion rate at the same time. And that's by using smart demographic specific mockups. So we're talking about using mockups that resemble the actual customer that you're going to sell to. And I have a little design here that says, my cat thinks I'm cool, with a little cat graphic. Now, it would be nice to just show the shirt, of course, right? You see over here in some of the other competitors, right? They just will show the product. But think about it. If you're selling to someone who loves cats, and you could show your shirt modeled on someone that is in a cat background with cats around them, isn't that going to make for a much better sale? Of course it is. This is called smart demographic mockups. This is using the tool place.justinsenior.com for PlaceIt. You can see the link underneath. And if you haven't heard of PlaceIt, I highly recommend it. It's definitely the #1 solution for mockups. And if you're not sure what a mockup is, you can literally see it in action right now. I've added this graphic design file on top of this model, but if I remove it, you're going to see what happens. Literally, this, you could place any image you want here on this model wearing this shirt with these cats in her hand. We'll just simply come over here, upload an image, and I'm going to go and select that cat image again. And it's going to get placed directly on top of this person. This is PlaceIt. Again, you can find the link over here, place.justinsenior.com. Well, it's also below the video in the description. But it really just takes a couple seconds. You're going to see it will automatically replace this image with the design that I uploaded. So you get to resize it, make sure that it looks over here. It's, like I said, highly recommend it because it's the #1 solution when it comes to any type of mockups, but especially these what I call smart demographic mockups. And the idea here is, again, you're going to pick a mockup that meets your demographic. Let's say you're in the biker niche. You want to find a mockup of someone that looks like your prototypical, stereotypical biker. Right, and over here, I just came over here and you see it now. It's done over here, right? My cat thinks I'm cool now. She's wearing it again. If I just delete this, we'll go back to normal. Okay, so that's a really, really great way to build branding because this is the type of feeling that you want your customers to associate with buying your products. They're going to be happy. In the cat store, they're going to be petting cats and things like that, having a great time with cats. So that's a real great way to kind of extend the branding that you're trying to portray while also building trust. And if you take a look, there's so many different options. I just did one search. For cats, we can do this all day long and just constantly come over here and upload our design and create a new setup. I'll just put a different design here that I have, and you're going to see in this mockup, she's wearing this shirt over here. It's going to change into the design that I'm uploading right now. We'll just crop it to make sure that it looks good, and then she'll be wearing it. And again, this is matching our demographic. We have a cat store. We're going to be showing people enjoying their time with cats wearing this shirt. Cats, tats, and pizza. You see right on there. You want to change the shirt color, they got this done for you over here as well. Top little corner, you go over here, change the shirt color, let's make it black, and there you go. Now she's wearing a black shirt and got the mock-up. It's actually a little bit easier to see here, so that looks better. You can change it to literally any color you want. If you want to do a navy blue or something like that, you got that color choice as well. So literally everything is covered in here. Can't recommend it any higher enough. Place.justinsenior.com. It's for PlaceIt, and I'll show you a couple other examples as well. So you want to get mock-ups for people that love dogs. I mean, literally, there's just a ton of them over here where you could do the exact same thing that I showed you with cats. And you see if you hover over here, it shows a little example of the design replacing the t-shirt. All these related to dogs. And how about the biker example, right? How would you put your shirt on this tough-looking biker dude over here, or this girl leaning on her bike, or this girl with her biker helmet, and this guy with his biker jacket? You see everything just automatically replaced with your design. Or another one, how about grandma's, popular niche, right? You go over and get grandma's wearing your shirt with a nice big smile on their face and use this on your store and on your ads. So place.justinsenior.com is how you get it. Link below here. Again, highly recommend it. I know it's going to help you really, like I said, extend the branding of your store and really let you capture that upside of why we love Shopify Print on Demand so much. So I hope this video helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.